tornado right there.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Great tornado at Matador, Texas. June 21st, 2023. A violent tornado hits the west of the Matador TX. Crews from local county, state, and several federals rushed to the area to assist with search and rescue. Several buildings were completely destroyed. 4 people were killed and 10 others injured after an unprecedented tornado hit the Texas town of Matador on Wednesday, officials said.
Okay.
Do you still see it? It's roping out.
It's roping out. Tornado's roping out. Guys, there's people in Matador that's going to need our help.
This bitch's not angry.
You might have to go help in Matador.
We're not even safe in the car with our windows down.
I still see
There's a house damage, barn damage.
Significant damage.
Yeah, significant damage in Matador. We're coming into the north side of Matador.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man. Matador, Texas is hammered. We're going.
Floods and storms in Germany June 23, 2023. Storms and heavy rain across large parts of Germany flooded roads and forced the closure of several main rail routes on Friday, but there was no immediate word of injury. Germany's National Weather Service had warned earlier this week of a severe storm with significant rainfall, which hit on Thursday. Uncovered roofs and falling trees were reported in the central state of Hessen. Transport authorities in the city of Kassel and the central state of Hessen said that bus and rail connections were disrupted by the storm and that it was unclear when normal services would resume.
Also in Hessen, a number of roofs were ripped off in the town.
Flood in Guangdong, China. June 22, 2023. Heavy rains in Yangqingyu and Guangdong caused severe flooding of highways and traffic jams in urban areas. Authorities have extended orange rainstorm warning signals across the city, and some areas have issued red rainstorm warnings. Flooding in Whitecourt, Canada June 22, 2023. Heavy rain in Alberta in recent days has impacted a number of surrounding areas. The two rivers McLeod and Athabasca in the Whiteport area, about 150 kilometers northwest of Edmonton, experienced high water levels and caused overflows, prompting evacuation orders for several areas along the rivers. In several videos, it can be seen that the overflow of the river causes quite high standing water in settlements along the banks of the McLeod River.